is Ronel and I'm from Let's Revamp Property Styling. I used to renovate properties and these days I work very closely with developers and builders. The most common issue I found is people want to create more bedrooms than living spaces. Rule of thumb, especially in Australia, if you are building a house or property with 3 or more bedrooms, you need to have 2 decent living spaces. At least 1 movie room for the kids or their friends, another more formal lounge for the adults, or just a retreat. But if you think creating a 5th bedroom instead of a 2nd living area, that's going to be a very costly mistake. We've learned that from experience. We see that over and over again. So if you can, rather cut down on the amount of bedrooms and include more living spaces in your home.
Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, if you liked it, press thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time for more fantastic home improvement tips. Bye!